Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Jason from Friday the 13th. So let's get started. To draw this very cool character, let's first start by drawing the eyes on the mask. So I'm going to come right here and I'm basically going to try to draw a circle that's a little bit ovalish. So a little bit flatter circle. And same thing right across, say about this much. And go ahead and draw another ovalish circle. There. And then from there I'm going to start to frame the face. So I'm going to come right next to it, say about the center of this eye. I'm going to come out about this much, not too much, just a little bit, and about right here. Same thing on the other side. From there I'm going to start to come down and give it a little bit of angle. And then as I come over here, I'm going to give it a little bit more in, kind of like where the jawline is, and bring it in. So same thing over here. So not as a smooth bottom of a U, just a little bit more angular and in. So then as I bring it to the bottom, about right here, I'm going to come to the bottom and I'm going to straighten it out a little bit towards the center and then up. There, so just giving a little bit more angles. Then from there, smooth out mask here. Then from there, let's come up a little bit. And in this area, if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish the rest of the mask. But I'm going to stop right here so that I don't need to erase, and I'm going to draw one of the straps. So I'll come in, do a little angle, straight line, angle out again, and connect. Then this is, imagine this coming through, it's going to go up and we're going to go around. So same thing over here. Just pop out this little strap area. There. And then I'm going to go up and I'm going to need to draw another strap. So right in the center, just imagine this is coming through. So I'll say about right here. I'll stop. And I'll draw a straight line right in the center, just so I know where I'm going, about right there, and go up with a strap. So like I said, if you're using a pencil, definitely just draw the mask first. And now we can go ahead and bring this all down. There, we've created our mask shape. So nice and round at the top. A little bit more angles towards the bottom. Then from there, let's come back right in this area, right underneath that strap, and we're going to pop out a little part of the ear. So same thing here. It's a little bit rounder here and then tapers in. And then now for all the details in the mask, let's start with the center one right here. Where is the nose? So I'll make this one a little bit bigger and more ovalish. Right there, so it looks like the nose. And then let's come to the center, about right here between the eyes. And I'm going to draw two angles out. So this is for that red marking design. Come back in towards the center and back out to connect. And then now we have a bunch of dots we need to draw. So right underneath right here is going to be these three dots. So I'm going to come straight down and same thing here. So hopefully I have all these dots correct, but there's two right here. So it kind of goes like this. And same thing here. And then now that we have this space in, I'm going to use this space to draw another, these red markings. So just like a little triangle. And same thing here. Right in this space. And then from there we can go ahead and draw more circles. So right here, we're going to put three of them. Same thing here. And three. And then for the top, there's four that go across. And one more. right over the red, and it goes up, straight up. And I'll just put 2 more here, just to not make it too complicated. I'm pretty sure I'm missing some of these holes, but I think that's enough, right? Okay, so then let's come in here. I'll just shade this in all black, just to make it easier so we don't have to draw any eyes. Make it look a little bit creepier. There, now we have that in, and we can come in here if you like, just draw some details for the ear, just a little curve right there. Now that we're done with the mask, let's draw the body. So I'm going to come about right here and here. Nice and centered. Let's draw a curve coming down for the shoulders and out. So same thing here, shoulders down and out. Then let's come back to the center, and I'm going to draw a curve for his neckline. Let's kind of find his armpit area. So nice and low. Let's say about right here and here. Right in that area, and I'm going to bring an angle, straight line down. Let's just make it straight and bring this down. Then let's come back right here. We're going to start to draw his jacket. So let's bring this down, giving a slight curve if you like, and let's bring this down more. So let's say about right here. We'll stop, and I'll come back into this area, and I'm just going to zigzag a little bit for his shirt inside. Then let's come up and bring this up to connect right where it starts to bend. So then about right here is where we're going to stop his jacket, and once again we're just going to give a little bit zigzag just to make it look all worn and raggedy. So a little zigzag here and there. Then let's see here, let's draw, come back over here, add some details to his jacket right there. And then let's come back down here, and in the center, come below and about right in this area, right in the center, I'm just going to give myself an angle line. From there, let's draw his pants. So just bring down 2 angle lines, and about right here and here, we're going to start. So let's bring this down. And I'll say about right here, I'll stop on this area, and I'm going to zigzag a little bit and bring it down. So notice it curves downwards, and then we can go ahead and draw his shoe. So curve, give a little angle, and then straight up for a very simplified shoe. So same thing over here. And we're going to go up, giving a little bit zigzag and connect. So straight over here, round off, angle, and then straighten up a little bit there. And now his arms. So let's draw this side first, since this side's just hanging out. So bring this down, and we want his hands to be about right here. So bring this down to about right there, and once again zigzag across. And for his hands, just do curve and a curve for a fist and connect. And then in this area right here, just add a little line there. And then let's add a line here for some details. So on this hand, if you don't want him to be holding a knife, you can just draw it like this, like with a big fist. But I felt like with all these drawings I've been doing, I've been trying not to put any weapons, but I feel like Jason really needs a knife, right? So if you want to do that, let's come right here, just like this hand. We're going to end about right here. And once again, zigzag away across. And for the knife. So let's come right in this area. Imagine he's holding this, I'm going to curve out here. So in this area, I'm going to start with a curve first. So this is where the knife is going to start. And I'll just give myself a curve right there. The little part of the handle. And I'm going to imagine this coming through. And here. And I'll just go up. There. Or you can round it off or make it really sharp. It's up to you. Right? So then, and if you want, you could even put some blood here and make it look like it's dripping. But I think that's not appropriate for Draw So Cute, right? Okay, so then let's come back right here and just add a curve just to simplify it. There. And then let's come back in here. Let's add some more details. So come right here. And add a pocket. Zigzag across, just like the other side. And zigzag across. And then you can add some tears into his clothing to give it more detail. There, maybe in his shirt, you can add some rips. And let's see, in his pant area. There, so hopefully that makes it look raggedy enough. And that is pretty much it for my version of Jason here from Friday the 13th. And I really hope you loved this one just as much as all the other Halloween inspired drawings I've been doing lately. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.